dear, it's that one also okay. Now I'm going to add grease. Don't put outside, it should be inside with the seal. Now it's okay. Now you can see, dear friends, here is properly you have to clean. It's like that. It should be very good clean actually, otherwise from the seal area it will leak again. Because of that I clean properly. Now I can fix, no problem. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix the tub cover. Now you can see, dear friends, it is 3 lock. It should come like that. Here, after pressing it will fix like that. Now it's okay. Now we will fix tub cover. While you are going to fix tub cover, the heater, it will come here, heater side. After that it will fix properly. Now it will come like that. Also we can check again. Now we have to fix all the nuts. Now it's okay, dear. All nuts I already tight. Now it's okay. Now we have to hang up with the body. Now, dear friends, I'm going to fix tub with the body, and we have to take this way. And it is very heavy. We can keep like that. After that we have to hang now. It's okay, dear. I hang already. You can see it's a little bit difficult job, but anyway we have to do. Now I will do one thing. I will fix dampers, 2 dampers. And this is the screw nut we have to fix here. We have to tie it properly. The one also same. We have to fix as same. Now it's okay, dear. Now we have to fix this one also. Make sure it is okay. Also drain below. That one also okay. Now I'm going to fix here pressure sensor tube. Now it's okay. Now front side we will finish. Now I'm going to fix the this bracket, because with the heavy it will expand. Because of that I'm going to fix this one now. I will fix like that here. Now it's okay. I will fix this two nuts screws, because this is top cover locking with this one. Now it's okay. Here also two screw I will fix here. Now it's okay dear. Now we can fix balance. Yep. Okay. Now it's okay. The balance, everything perfect. Now I have to fix here detergent drawer. I will fix the detergent drawer here. First fix valve and clamp. After that you can fix properly. Don't forget that one. Now this lock, it should come here. Also one screw. Also other one also, it will come like that. Two screws are here. Now it should come like that. You can see 1, 2, 3 screws should come. Also this one here, it will come. So this is air balancing hose. That one also we have to fix properly. Now it's okay dear. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix these screws. Now I have to fix this screw here. Yes, it is okay. I will fix here this lock before fixing here this one also. It's okay. Now it's okay, I can fix. It's okay. Now I can fix screws. Now this special two screws we have to fix here. I have to fix here. coming like that. Now it's okay. After that we have to fix here main door switch. It will come like that door switch. We have to fix this one also, because this emergency door opener cable. And we will keep like that. Here it's okay. Yes, here now it's okay. Now I have to fix gasket here. Now it's okay. So I'm going to fix gasket ring also. It will come like that. Yes, it's okay. Now dear friends, I have to fix 3 screws are here down. Yes, that one also finished. Now I have to fix front panel. Front panel. Here this lock will come to here. Now it will come like that. You can see dear friends. Now it's okay. Now we have to fix this 1, 2, 3 screws. Now it's okay. Now I have to give the connections. Harness I have to connect with the display. Display is okay. Now it's okay. Now front side is okay. Now I have to fix finally this 2 SS screws for the panel. Now it's okay. Now front side is finished. Now I will fix the balance. It will come this way. Okay. Now it's okay dear. Now dear friends, I'm going to fix the motor. Both motor we have to fix as same before. This is which is I mark number 1.